Bill Travers here from Sarasota Community's Real Estate. We're out east today to visit one of my favorite communities. Let's take a look at Artistry. This is about you and what you want. Let me show you your next home. 9077 Artisan Way, Sarasota, Florida. This is a package deal too good to pass up. Turnkey furnished, ready to go, or possibly negotiate a leaseback option. You've got an entertaining lanai facing west for some of the most incredible, spectacular sunsets. 4,138 of total air-conditioned square footage. Total square footage is 5,752. Your total lot dimensions have over 300 feet of frontage. This is a half-acre lot, and this is not typical in planned developments these days. The base price of this home today to build would be $681,000. The way I break it down, the lot premium's worth $65,000. Structural options with impact glass, upgraded front doors, outdoor kitchen and mechanicals and build out with many custom wall accents and ceiling decor. Furnishings are true quality brands. This is quiet East County. It's gated, lawn maintenance included, with fitness, zero beach entry pool, with lap lanes, sports court, recreational dance studio, and more. Call me to set up an exclusive tour on this home, and don't let this one get away. Call Real Bill at 941-544-7516. Sarasota Community's Real Estate.